Alright, so let's have a look at the basic types of reactions. First, we've got our synthesis reactions. Now, a synthesis reaction is a reactant where you get two reactants, or two substances, and they combine to form a single compound. And the general formula is A plus B gives you AB. What this would actually look like in reality is you'd have two magnesium atoms would join, and this would be when burning, so this is an oxidation, to two oxygen molecules to give you a magnesium oxide, two of them. So that's a synthesis reaction. Now, a decomposition reaction, this is when you get a single substance and it will decompose or break down into two substances. So basically this looks like an AB goes to A plus B. A good example of this, and one that you'll see often, is calcium carbonate being decomposed to calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. That is a decomposition reaction, and this here means heat. There are also substitution reactions. This is the last of our basic types of reactions, and it's basically a reaction where components or elements within compounds are swapped amongst reactants. For example, if you had AB plus XY, we would end up with AY plus XB. A good example of this is when we add hydrochloric acid to sodium hydroxide, which gives us sodium chloride, which is a salt, plus water. And this actually neutralizes the reaction, but what we see down here is that this is the OH from the sodium hydroxide, that is the H from the hydrochloric acid. Alright, hope that made sense. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Thanks for that. Bye now.